Want to know how to make your portrait drawing look more like your reference photo? Are all the proportions and facial features correct, but something still feels off? I'll show you the important final pencil strokes that can perfect your drawings. Watch my video where I sketch the face. It took me half an hour just to draw the guidelines for the correct proportions. Proportions are crucial because they provide a solid foundation. Then I drew the face. Everything seemed to be in place, but it still didn't look quite right. In this particular portrait, the unique placement and narrowing of the eyes required extra corrections. Even after drawing the face, I spent another 3 hours making small adjustments. If you've ever played the game of finding the 10 differences between two pictures, you can apply that same skill here. Pay close attention to the small details, the straight and curved lines, the highlights, and the shadows on the face. Take breaks and return to your drawing with fresh eyes. Look at it from different angles or even upside down. Don't throw your drawing away. Pause, step back, and examine it from a different perspective. You might notice small adjustments that can significantly improve your drawing. Patience is key. Remember, good work takes time. I've corrected this drawing countless times. Every millimeter counts. I cannot emphasize this enough. I've already demonstrated some techniques for identifying and correcting mistakes in another video. Watch that video as well, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments.